Hey guys, this is the continuation series of the Git development. In this video, we'll learn about how to set up a Git for development environment and the Git basics command. So as we know that Git repository is the workspace, and inside it we can make them folder and the file also that we wanted to track, or you can say we wanted to be maintain their history also, right? Anytime we wanted to be use the Git project or app, we wanted to create a new repository. In the machine we can be have the number of the Git repository also. So repository means history and the content. So suppose I'm making it over here, one folder is 01 and this is intro over here. And inside it, first command we need to run the git initializations, but before that suppose I'm running a git status over here and it's saying this folder is not a git repository, so we need to be make a git repository. And guys, we can make a git repository at the parent level or child level, it's up to us, but we should not do repository inside a repository. We can make repository outside of the parent level, or inside it we can maintain all the file and folder. So at this level I will make a git initialization. We need to just simply run git init. So once we will hit this command, it will generate a .git hidden file, and there it will maintaining all the file history and everything. Means git is actually maintaining locally in our folder only, it maintaining all the history. So once I hit, now it's like tracking, and once I hit, you can see this is also start exactly tracking it also. Till now it does not made any file also. Now if we'll hit the git status, now we can see it showing us two different messages. On branch master, no commit yet, nothing to commit. Means we didn't have anything to commit. So which things we wanted to track it the file. So if I'll make inside it, suppose sample.txt file. Now if you can see it start tracking and it's saying it's untracked also, right? Now if I'll check the status of this one, git status. Whatever the already added, whatever the new changes, all those things we know about through the git status only. And main thing is we need to be committed. And guys, commit means we are saving the file, means in the game we are making one checkpoint, right? Or we can say we are making a snapshot also, right? As we are saving the file, means if we are changing something, we are saving it also. Similar to that, commit means we are committing or we are making the history. Without commit, git won't be track anything. So to track, we need to do the commit also. So git commit is working with the two-step process. One, we need to make the file or do some changes. Suppose I'm writing down over here testing. Another thing, we should add the file. It's also suggesting, you can say git add the file. We should add the file also. So we should add and we need to write down the file name. So where is the file? File is right now we have in 01 intro, and these are the files. So we should write down git add, and this is our folder. Inside in it we have one file, sample.txt file. Once we hit, this file is start tracking. Alright, so now file is added. That says first process is done. Now in the second step we can do the commit, and once we actually added, if you will check this one, git status, we can see this is already added or it is cached, but we can make unstage also. This is now in the stage. You can see over here also, from here also we can commit. So we can see this changes into stage also. We can actually minus it also, we can do unstage it also. Means again we can add it. So if I'll do the minus, we can see, if I'll check the status again, you can see it is again untracked. So I am just adding it over here through the plus sign, it is added again back to over there. So through the command also we can do, or through this GUI also we can do it also. Till here we learned the two things. What git initialization we will have to do to track that particular repository. Another is to git status, to know about it exactly what is the status of repository. So once we will initialization, git is actually tracking. Git is tracking that particular repository, means git is watching that repository. It need to be first committed exactly, right? And commit means we need to do the two process. First we need to move our file in staging area, and how to will move our file in staging area? Git add. Next thing is we need to commit. So one more thing guys, git is providing their own terminal git bash. That is also we can utilize as to run a command. Now we have one scenario. Suppose I want to add a multiple file at a time. So we can add a file, git add, folder name, intro and /file name. Right, so this file will be added. So if we check the status, we'll see one file is added, but we wanted to be add both the file. So let me create one more file, guys. So this is third.txt. Now I wanted to be add this second and third file. So to add these two files, we will just simply run second space 1 intro /third txt. Once we hit, both the file we added. Means if we have multiple file, we can give the space and we can add the multiple file also. Another way to add a multiple file, guys, let me unstage it. We can unstage it also from here, or either we can unstage through the command it also. Now all the file is untracked. Now if suppose I need to be add all the file again, so I can write on the dot. Now through the dot we can add all the files. So now all 3 files is came into the again into staging, right? Now one more command, guys, we can use it to add the multiple file, that is -a, the capital A. Remember, once we hit, all the file is added. So these are the command, guys, that we can utilize to add a multiple files. So once we added the multiple file, you will check the status. We done it all the file also. We can unstage also. To commit the file, we can just simply write down git commit -m. For the comment, we need to write down the comment also. So here I'm writing down comment is new file, add it, and once I enter it, all the commit is done. Means it will maintain a history. You can see this is maintaining a history. New file is added over here, right? And once we click, we can see all the thing also, right? This is also, we can see all 3 file is added. And if you will check the git status, we can see on branch master nothing to commit, right? And if I change something over here, this first file, save it, again it came back over here and it's saying am means modified. And if you'll check the status of it, we'll see it is modified. Means already this file is added and already committed. Now we are modifying it. So no change is added to commit. Use either add if you have some file, or either you can just simply say commit it also, right? And this time, guys, we can write down the message over here also. So message I can write down over here is simple message, first file content edit. And I can simply make the commit also. If I'll check the git status, here also nothing to commit. And guys, now we can learn one more command, that is called git log. We can see all the committed log. Commit means now actually it will become history. And now we can see all our commit message also. And this is also one ID, because this is commit ID. From this IDs, guys, we can see all the changes also. So git is actually making all the history. Even we didn't push all these changes to the remote repository. Still we have in the local only. Alright, guys, still here you need to do the practice. Okay, you guys can make a one folder. Inside in it you can make the 2-3 file. You can initialize the repository also. You can change the file, some content you can write down. You can committing this file, number of the commit you can change it also. And after that, you can just check the log and status also. So till here you can make it. In next video we'll learn how to push the changes also, or to make the branches also. So thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video. Till the time, happy coding.